In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a website in Silex. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a safe copy of any existing Silex project so you can experiment, redesign, or prepare a new version without risking your original site. First, open your browser and head to silex.me. This takes you to the Silex interface, the online editor where your projects live. If it's your first time here, take a quick moment to get oriented. Silex is a visual drag-and-drop website builder, so everything revolves around your projects and how you manage them. Cloning a site is a great way to try bold changes, test new layouts, or set up a staging version while keeping your live site untouched. Once the page loads, look for the area labeled My Sites. This is your project hub, where every website you've created is listed as a card or tile. Each card represents a complete site, including its pages, styles, and assets. If you don't immediately see My Sites, you may need to open the main dashboard or navigation panel, depending on your screen size. Being comfortable with this hub will save you time, because it's where you'll return whenever you want to open, manage, or duplicate a project. Now, choose the project you want to copy. Hover over its card to reveal the available actions. You're looking for the duplicate option, often shown as an icon with two overlapping squares or labeled duplicate. Click that icon. Silex will create a clone of your selected project, preserving your pages, layouts, styles, and linked assets just as they are. This is a non-destructive action, so your original site remains exactly the same. After a brief moment, you should see a new project appear in your My Sites list, typically with a name that indicates it's a copy. That's your clone, ready for editing and experimentation. A few quick pointers to work smarter with your new copy. Consider renaming the duplicate right away so you can easily distinguish it from the original later. Keeping clear names like homepage redesign or staging version helps prevent accidental edits in the wrong project. If your original site used external assets, custom fonts, or form integrations, those references generally carry over. Still, it's good practice to open the cloned project and confirm that images load, links work, and styles look consistent. Cloning is also perfect for A/B testing. Create a copy, iterate on layout or content, and compare results without ever touching the primary site. That's all there is to it. Open Silex, go to My Sites, select your project, and click the duplicate icon. With a reliable clone in place, you can build confidently, try new ideas, and keep your original site safe.